Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 6.1 and today I'll show you how to block a number. So start off by opening up the dialer app, which is the phone one right here. And from here you can tap on the three dots up in the right corner and tap on settings, and you will see blocked numbers. You can check what numbers are blocked and tap on also add a number if you know what number you want to block, or you can also do it if you have it, if the number reached you, try to call you, you can go into the recent right here, and when you see the number that you wish to block, for instance the one that I just kind of made up, you can hold your finger on it and you'll get a couple options. So from here you see block/report spam. If you tap on it you can block it. I don't really need to report a spam, the number doesn't really exist. And then I just tap on block, and now this number won't be able to reach me. And if I go back to the settings and blocked numbers, it should be visible, as you can see right here. And you can also remove it from blacklist right here if you wish to do so, like so. So that'll be how you would add numbers to basically block number. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.